Vikan makes colour-coded cleaning equipment and tools. For over 100 years, we've been continuously innovating to meet the unique challenges of our customers. From the first horsehair brush to the new 𝐒𝐥𝐿 series, we've taken efficiency and hygienic design to a market-leading level. We constantly develop our quality and materials to meet and exceed every single industry standard. Over the years, Vikan has produced enough brushes to reach the moon and back. But our green management approach ensures sustainability in our production, which is powered by green energy. We are world leaders in colour coding, with more products in more colours than anyone else. From our headquarters in 𝐕𝐈𝐊𝐊𝐀𝐍, Denmark, we help major food producers in 75 countries face their hygienic cleaning challenges, including the most comprehensive documentation and planning tools in the industry. We even have an app for that. All this means that today, over 100,000 food producers worldwide will use a Vikan tool.